Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how you could make this planner bow. So let's get started with the things that you will need. And you will need scissors, needle and string, you will need glue gun and glue stick, your felt, your paper clips, and this template from my blog. All you have to do is choose which size you want. This one is for a 2-inch bow. I'm just going to cut around the pattern and use that to stick to my felt and use that as a template. I attached it using some masking tape, putting it at the back of the pattern, and then just adding that on top of the felt. You could also use pins to secure it if you want. And I'm just going to cut around the template and make that the base of my bow. The easiest way to attach the felt to the clip is using glue gun, but I'm going to show you how you could use your needle and thread to do so for it to be secured better. All you need to do is attach your paper clip to the center of the bow pattern and then just loop that through, putting the right side folded over to the middle, and then again stitch it through, and then also do that on the left side. This is a pretty easy way to do it, and you just have to be careful not to poke your fingers. After you have secured it a couple of times, you want to make a knot at the end, just like so, and it's going to be secured and it won't get off your paper clip for sure. Using this iridescent gold and purple ribbon that I have here, I'm just going to fold it in the middle to itself 2 times so that I could use it into the center of the bow. It makes it thinner. I'm just going to cut the frayed edges, attach that to the back first of the bow, add some glue on there, add the ribbon from the back, loop it around the top, loop it through the middle, through the bottom, and then attach it again on the back using your glue gun and glue stick, just like so, and then just cut the excess. Also using your glue gun and glue stick, attach this part of the bow to the back, and there you go. That's a very easy way to do the felt bow clip. Hey there, it's Ellen here. Thank you for being awesome. For more of my videos, click the subscribe button and be notified. Tag me if you made any of these DIY projects. Socials are always linked below. Also, always remember to spread a little kindness. Till next time, bye!